Objective complete. Well done, minions. Your vacuum training is almost complete.
Fear me not, little woodland creature.
Your vac-U's contain a rechargeable nanotech dispersal unit. This enhances your ability to make fellow minions less dead. Be sure to use your vac-U's quickly in order to restore a fellow minion's health.
I'm out!
You shall be avenged!
A little help here, guys?
Commence rejoicing. President Cork is here to save you.
Objective complete. Well done, minions. Your training is now complete. Gold stars for everyone.
Hey, I caught one!
Ooh, shiny!
Congratulations on completing your training. You will now be transported to Sector 12 for celebratory probing.
Probing? Can't we just get some sort of certificate? Maybe one of those little trophies they give you for participating. How about a cake?
Don't worry, a galactic scout never leaves an ally behind.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. All units converge on the minions in Sector 3.
Mission complete! Come on, it's time to escape!
How's my fist taste?
Attention interlopers. You have been found guilty of impersonating a minion. You are hereby ordered to stand down and prepare to be executed.
Let's do this!
Oh!
Rest easy, my furry friend. I'll take good care of you. Every evil villain have to design a bad guy with a giant blade.
You must comply with my stand-down order, or I will be forced to take drastic action.
Suffer the wrath of my crouching kitten style.
Remember those gold stars I gave you for gadget certification? Look, no more gold stars. Try putting that on the fridge.
Whoa!
it chills steel. Your president has returned. Let's do this.
Get to cover!
Attention interlopers. Your gadget certification diplomas now bear the shameful mark of the frowny face. Feel the agonizing sting of disapproval.
Fear me not, little woodland creature.
Hey, I caught one! Whoa. Check this place out. The gravity here's broken. Kronk! Zephyr! Man, it is good to see you guys.
It's good to see you too, kid. How's everything going with N-E-F-A?
I can spell, you morons.
What is this thing?
This doohickey is an Apogee Industries communication pod. We deployed them all around the planet so we can communicate and send supplies.
So you know where we are. That's great. You can come down and rescue me. Us. Collectively.
Well, no can do, Mr. President. See, we tracked your nav unit to planet Magnus, but someone fell asleep and piloted us into a darn asteroid field.
We're sort of stranded above the stratosphere awaiting rescue. But don't worry, when they get us, we'll get you. In the meantime, we've hacked into an old spy satellite to monitor your positions.
And we've set up a comm link with GromoNet. If you need weapons, just access one of these pods and wire us some bolts. We'll teleport the supplies to the surface.
Find a safe spot and hang tight, rookie. We'll get you off this rock. And you, I'm watching you. Whippersnapper. The GromoNet Arc Lasher is the most advanced kinetic energy whip on the market. A single flick of the whip stuns your enemies into submission.
Activating multiple whips will let out a blast of energy that stuns nearby foes.
Hey, look, Zeph. It's one of them new Arc Lashers. One Arc Lasher, coming right up.
Rest easy, my furry friend. I'll take good care of you.
Hey, I caught one!